This large pack of wet wipes sold in supermarkets is very popular. There are many usage scenarios, and suitable for the elderly and children. It can be used on various occasions, such as shoe cleaning, table cleaning, hand cleaning, and cleaning other contact surfaces. Today we will show you the whole process of wet wipe manufacturing. With this machine, you can produce baby wipes, disinfectant wipes, cleaning wipes, alcohol wipes, refreshing wet wipes, etc. The first step is raw materials folding, and the second is adding the liquid. The third step is cutting. The cutting size can be customized. The fourth step is the packaging. After cutting, they will go into the packaging machine. In this wet wipe production line, it is equipped with a fully automatic packaging machine. Using this production line, you can produce different packaging capacity wet wipes, such as 60 pieces per bag, 72 pieces per bag, 80 pieces per bag, 100 pieces per bag, 120 pieces per bag, etc. The last step is the lid application. It will glue the plastic cover on the wet wipe bag. In this way, the wet wipes can be stored for a long time. If you want the wet wipe machine to start manufacturing wet wipes, please contact us. We will provide the complete wet wipe production solution for you. You also can subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more wet wipe machine working video.